Hey guys, today I will show you how to create this part in SOLIDWORKS. This is the third episode of my series. So let's get started. Alright, as you can see, our part, to begin to create our part, we should start with a circle, with a simple circle. I'll go sketch and choose a plane. I'll use circle to create a main body part. So this circle has diameter 100, right? Diameter 100. Alright, now I'll use a feature called extruded post base. The length of this extrusion will be 20, as you can see, 20. Alright, 20 here. And we have the main body. Now, I'll start doing these profiles. I'll create a profile, then I will extrude cut it, and then multiply it using circular pattern. I'll show you immediately. So I'll go sketch on this side. Alright, I'll use an axis, a center line, axis. I'll create this construction circle. This is a construction circle, as you can see, it's diameter 80. Alright, diameter 80, smart dimension, diameter 80. Alright, I'll hold down Control key. So I'll hold down Control key and select the circle, and we'll check this option for construction. Alright, I'll now create this circle. This circle has diameter 16. Diameter 16. Now I will hold down Control and select the center of this circle and this axis line, and select coincident to be on the same side. Also hold down again Control, select the circle and the center of this other circle, and also coincident. Now we have a fully defined sketch. Now I'll create also these two lines that are tangent to this circle. I'll do it just like this. Alright, as we can see, the constraints are tangent. These lines are tangent to the circle, which is great. Now I'll dimension it. This is you can use here a random, I'll use here a random direction because it's not actually needed. Just the profile must go outside of that big circle of this edge. And it's perfect like this. I'll use trim entities to delete these edges because we don't need them, and it's great. Now I'll use features and use extruded cut. The cut length should be 5 millimeters. 5 millimeters right here, and that's it pretty much. Now, like I said, I will use a feature called circular pattern. This circular pattern just creates more instances of this selected feature. So here, as we can see, it's already selected this feature, and now here I will introduce 3 because we need 3 of these. 3 of these, and the direction here, this one. Alright, this one. Alright, great. We created it. Now I'll create these holes. I'll go sketch on this side. I'll create another circle, but first I will create this center line. Alright. And also no, this is actually not needed. I'll create here a circle. I'll hold down Control, select the circle and this other edge of another circle, and select concentric. Alright. Now this circle has diameter 8, as we can see. Alright, diameter 8. That's it. Now I'll use extrude cut, features, extrude cut, through all. I'll use again circular pattern, cut, extrude. Okay, it's selected already. Again, 3 instances, 360 degrees, and this direction. Okay, I'll select this edge for the direction. Great. Now I will create these features. Now this feature is made basically out of like 4 circles. This is the first circle, this is the second circle, and then other 2 circles created that are tangent to these 2. Alright, we'll create one more circle for this edge right here, and another one for this one. And those 2 are tangent to these other 2 circles. Okay, so I'll go sketch. Sorry. I'll create the axis. All right. This is the axis. I'll create 2 more actually. I'll give this dimension, I'll give 30 here and 30 there. 30. Actually, I don't know, this axis was not created straight. Now it's straight. Alright, now it's straight. I'll use smart dimension again from this to this. Like I said, 30. And also from here to here, 30. Alright. Now, I'll create another circle for construction. This one has diameter 80. Alright. I'll make it diameter 80. I'll hold down Control, select the circle, and check this option for construction once again. Alright. Now, I will create 2 circles on the intersection of this axis, of these 2 axes with this construction circle. So one here and also one here. Now we'll have to constrain this to these 2 circles to be coincident with both this axis and this circle. We'll do this operation twice because we have 2 circles. So I'll hold down Control. Okay, I'll hold down Control key on the keyboard, select this center of the circle, this axis, and alright, something is wrong. I'll do it again. So hold down Control, select the circle center. I selected it, and also this axis. and now select coincident. Now it works. Okay, I'll press down once again Control, select the center of the circle and also this other circle that is made for construction, and go coincident. Alright, I'll hold down, I'll do the same thing for this other circle. So selecting this, coincident, select this, and also coincident. Now I'll also use a constraint to make them both equal, because they're equal in dimension. Right, that's okay, and I will give the dimension to them. It's 12 diameter. It's diameter 12. Their size is 12 diameters. Alright. Sorry for my door. It's actually annoying, but that's the situation. I'll create those two other circles. Alright. One and another one. Alright, two. So now I'll hold down Control key, select this circle and this circle, and select tangent. Great. I'll do the same for this other one. Select this circle and this circle with Control key pressed and select tangent. Great. Now I'll do the same for this other one. Hold down Control, select this circle, this other circle, tangent. Okay. We'll do the same here. This, tangent. Okay. Great. Now we created a profile basically. Well, not yet. We have to delete these extra edges. I'll use trim entities from right here. I'll do this. To delete, you have to hold down left mouse button and just go through the line, through the edge, like this. Okay. All right. And that's it. We got the profile. I'll use now extruded cut. We'll go through all. And that's basically it. I'll use again circular pattern. It's already selected the correct profile. This 3, it's correct because we want to multiply it 3 times. We have 3 of these, so this is correct. And the direction, I'll use for direction the same edge, this one, and okay. Alright, now I'll create what's in the middle of the part. I will do the extruded cut. I'll do an extrude cut from here to here. I'll go sketch on this part. Sorry, didn't take the command. I'm lagging. Alright. Now, I'll create a circle. This circle has diameter 60. Alright, 60. Dimension it. 60. And now I'll use a feature called extrude cut once again. The cutting length would be 10 millimeters from what I see. 10 millimeters. Okay. Now I will do this extruded boss base from the middle. Sketch on this side. Okay. Alright. This one has 36 diameter. 36 dimension. Great. Now we'll extrude this with features, extrude, and this extrusion would be like 10 minus 3. So we'll have 7 millimeters of of extrusion. Okay, great. Now I'll do these circles. I'll use again circular pattern after I create one circle. I'll use sketch on this side. Well, actually not on this side. Sorry. I'll use sketch on this one. Alright. I'll draw the axis from here, here, and I will draw another axis where the circle will be positioned. Alright. And also a construction circle for the intersection. And this circle, this construction circle has diameter 40. Alright. I'm lagging a bit. So distance, sorry, wrong command. From here to this one I have like 30 degrees angle. Now create a circle for construction. Like I said, 48. 48. Alright. I'll select this circle and I'll use for construction option. Now I'll create a circle on this side and hold down Control key, selecting this center of the circle and this construction circle, and use coincident and select OK. Then again pressing down Control key, selecting this center and also this axis and also coincident. And now the circle is positioned right exactly in on the intersection of the circle of this circle with this axis. It's positioned perfectly right in the intersection point. And this circle has diameter 8. Yeah, diameter 8. I'll use dimension and we'll go like 8 millimeters. Okay, now I'll use again a feature. I'll use extruded cut first. I'll give it a true all, correct, and now I'll use the feature called circular pattern once more. It's selected already, great, and we'll need like 6 of them. 6 here, 6, and this direction will be once again this one. Okay, lagging a bit. So yeah guys, this is the part. This is the part, perfectly designed, looking great. Hopefully you understand pretty much all I said in this video, all I did. So see you guys later. Bye.